Are you curious about what is happening here in Ada County? Well, let's find out. I'm about to tell you. First, I'm Jessica Costa, your real estate agent here in Idaho, bringing you information and home tours right to this page. So please make sure you like and subscribe down below so you get that notification that I'm dropping my new video. All right, so let's get into the market update for June in Ada County. So after surpassing the 600 mark in May, the median price for homes in Ada County, it dropped down to $592,000. Now that was a 12.8% higher compared to the same month a year ago. And since 2005, the average year-over-year percent change in home prices in Ada County has been 8.1%. The incredible price growth we've seen since the onset of the pandemic was fueled by the rapid increase in demand for housing as people transitioned to a remote work and historically low mortgage interest rates. With an already undersupplied housing market prior to the pandemic, prices just shot up as demand outpaced supply. Now we've seen the buyer pool shrink due to the higher mortgage rates and the higher home prices. Cooling demand has given inventory a chance to catch up a bit, giving the remaining buyers more options. Now there was 2,135 homes available for sale at the end of June, a 192.9% increase from June of 2021 and the highest inventory we've seen since September of 2016. Even with the welcome inventory gains, the month supply of inventory in June was a 2.4 month, and a balanced market, or a market that does not favor buyers or sellers, is typically between a 4 and 6 month supply. The market continues to show signs of normalizing. Homes that closed last month spent an average of 14 days on the market before going under contract, compared to a 10-day in June of 2021. Additionally, the average original list price received for existing homes in June was 98.4%, which that on average buyers paid less than asking through a lower accepted offer price reduction and or seller's concession. In June of 2021, the average original list price received was 103.9%, which means on average buyers paid more than asking price. Now the housing market conditions we experienced for the last 2 years were unique. Historically low inventory coupled with rampant demand resulted in above average price growth and a highly competitive market. The changes we're seen in the price growth, inventory, and slower market times is moving us towards a more normal market, one where bidding wars are the exception and not the rule, and buyers aren't having to make split decisions and waive contingencies for their offer to even be considered. Sales also continued to lag in June. There was 818 closed home sales last month, down 16% compared to June of 2021. And as the market shifts, sellers may have to adjust their expectations slightly. Offers may not fly within the first hour of the first day you list your home. Your home may not sell for over list price. This necessarily is not a bad thing. In fact, it may make your experience less stressful, and sellers are still receiving great values for their homes. The best bet for selling in today's market is to price your home appropriately. based on the relevant data, comparables, and the expertise of your real estate agent. Okay, before I end this video, I want to touch base on if you're a buyer or thinking of buying and you're a little nervous about the interest rates going up. Here's what I would tell you. If we could predict the bottom of where the prices will drop before going back up, that would be great. But we really cannot do that. None of us have a crystal ball. So we really don't know that. So what I suggest is that when thinking of buying a home, think about your monthly affordability and not the interest rate. You will be able to refinance out of that rate once they start to come down, and they will. So this way you get to move forward in your life and you get to where you want to be. So don't let the rates stop you. Still look forward, move forward if you can. I know some of us are priced out of the market. I understand that. But don't give up. There's a lot of options out there. Talk to a lender. They can definitely help you and point you in the right direction that would help you get into a home if you're a first-time buyer. Okay, that is my update for June in Ada County. If you have any questions or you would want to talk about anything related to real estate, you can contact me here or leave me a comment down below. I'm happy to answer all your questions. I do these updates about once a month, so please like and subscribe down below. That way you'll receive notification of my next drop of my video. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.